Hey there, let's make Afrobeat with some Amapiano flavor. Now, to make Afrobeat with some Amapiano flavor, all you have to do is set your tempo. Now, because Amapiano is typically a faster genre than most Afrobeats, so we're going to edge for more of the 115 to 120 BPM range, okay? So I'm going to come right here, type in value. I'm going to use 118. Okay, so we have that. And then let's come to our drum kit. So I'm going to be using the Ultimate Amapiano drum kit. You can get it from our website or the first link in the description. And I highly recommend you get it, high quality drums. So let's come to rim shots. And let's use snare. Yeah, let's use snare. Then let's have our kick. Yeah, let's use that kick. So let's create a simple pattern. Create the kick like this, hit 4 steps. Then we're going to have our snare hitting. You can repeat it again so that you have, more space. Then let's come to percussions. Let's do that. So we're going to have this, and then we have this. And then let's layer it. Bring this in here. We'll layer, just copy that. Then we paste it. Then let's have other percussion sounds. I prefer that. So drag in here, then let's add a shaker. Let's add some percussion loop. Let's add that and see. Let's bring it all the way down. Then let's add some expressions with the percussions. Let's just simply come to the percussion folder again. Yeah, let's use that. And now let's create chords. So we're going to come right here. Let's create chords. We're going to come to electric piano. And then let's create a simple chord progression. So let's set our key to B major. Yep, so now let's create our chord. Let's reduce velocity. Then increase the volume. Reduce the length of the notes. Let's take it up. All right, so now let's do some extensions. I'm going to highlight these guys, make them a third. Let's add 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 5, 6, 7. I don't think that will work. Let's now let's do this. Nice. Then let's highlight this and create some bass for our chord. Let's create some sounds. All right, so let's do that. Come to piano roll. And then yeah, let's have that. So let's add some textures. Piano roll, we add that. Let's add a second. So let's look for guitar loops. Key will be B major. Then we'll drag it in as well. So let's adjust this first loop. Let's try. to add that as well. And reduce the volume. We're going to link to the mixer, remove some high end. Let's add some log drums. Perfect. Let's extend this. We can rely on the chords to help us out. So we can just copy the chord, come right here, paste it. Piano roll. And so that's pretty much it. You can then arrange this or even add more details and layers to this to make it even more personal to your own taste or vibe. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials, tips, and tricks. Cheers.